In this video, I'll show you how to convert HTML to PDF in C# and .NET using GemBox.Pdf. You'll learn how to convert an HTML string, an HTML file, and a web page to PDF. First, we need to install the NuGet package. Right-click the project and open the NuGet package manager. Then search for GemBox.Pdf.html. As you can see, the search returned two relevant NuGet packages. The package you choose depends on the platform where your application will run. Since we're running on Windows, we'll select GemBox.Pdf HTML Windows. GemBox.Pdf uses the Chromium engine internally to convert even complex web apps with modern CSS and JavaScript to PDF, delivering the same fidelity you would expect from a web browser. Both packages already include the required Chromium native assets, so there's no need to install them separately. Once the installation is complete, we're ready to write the code. Let's open program.cs. First, import the GemBox.Pdf namespace and the GemBox.Pdf.html namespace. Next, set the license key. We're using the free limited key, which you can use for evaluation and smaller documents. For production use, you would use your professional license key instead. In this tutorial, we are running on Windows, but when running on Linux, the Chromium engine requires additional system dependencies to be installed. You can use this helper method to install all required dependencies. Alternatively, you can install the dependencies yourself. For more detailed information, check out our HTML to PDF article linked in the video description. Since we're running on Windows, no additional dependencies are required, so we can remove this line. Let's start by converting a basic HTML string to PDF. Let's use this string, which contains a Hello World paragraph with red text. To convert this HTML to PDF, we'll use the Convert HTML to PDF async static method from the HTML converter class. This loads the HTML into GemBox.Pdf's in-memory model, allowing you to modify the PDF if needed. For example, you could add a header, insert an image, or even edit the document's content. We'll continue without making any changes and save the document as a PDF file. Let's run the app. The conversion completed successfully. Let's check the output PDF. As you can see, the output PDF contains the Hello World paragraph from the original HTML. Now let's see how to convert an HTML file to PDF. Let's go back to program.cs. To convert an HTML file to PDF, we'll use the Convert File to PDF async method. In this case, we're using the invoice.html file. Then we'll save the document to a PDF file. Let's run it again. Here is the invoice.html file that we're converting, and here is the generated PDF file. As you can see, the PDF looks the same as the original HTML. The conversion preserves the layout, formatting, and content of the original file. Finally, let's see how to convert a web page to PDF. For this example, we'll convert Wikipedia's homepage to PDF using the Convert URL to PDF async method. Again, we'll save the document to a PDF file. Let's run it again. This is Wikipedia's homepage, and this is the generated PDF. You can see that the conversion produced a pixel-perfect PDF. I hope this video was helpful. To install the library and copy the code sample, check the links in the description below the video. If you want to learn how to run HTML to PDF conversion on different platforms, such as Azure App Service, Azure Functions, or Docker, check the article linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.